Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Roblox 268 error code. So if you're getting this code as well, that means you're not able to play Roblox. So don't worry, because by the end of this video, I will tell you how you guys can fix it so you can start playing your Roblox again. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, just restart your computer, because sometimes due to like a certain bug it causes the problem, and restarting your PC just basically fixes it. And if it still doesn't work, the other thing you can do is click on the Windows icon and you want to search for apps. Once you search for apps, you can see it where it says apps and features. You want to click on it. Once you do that, it'll take you to the setting, and once you're inside the setting, over here where it says search this list, you want to click on it and you want to write Roblox. Once you search for Roblox, it's going to show Roblox. Once you see it, click on it, click on uninstall and uninstall your Roblox. Once you uninstall Roblox, re-download it. Sometimes due to like lack of update and lack of folder management causes the problem, and to install Roblox, you can click on the Microsoft button again and go on versus Microsoft Store. If you don't see it over here, you can search for it over here as well. So just click on it, and over here at the top versus search, you want to write Roblox. Once you search for Roblox, it's going to show Roblox. You can download it and start playing. And even after downloading, if it still didn't work, the last option you need to do is go to your browser, and on your browser you want to go to roblox.com. So it has to be roblox.com. So this is the official website of Roblox. Once you're over here, log in into your account and start playing. You can also play Roblox on the browser, alright? So this is the last option, and you can play every single Roblox game which you could play like in the app or inside the software. So don't worry about it. I hope I was able to help you guys. Hit that subscribe button and bye bye.